Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send money with Wise. First requirement, you'll have to make your own Wise account. Of course, you'll have to log in, and once you're logged in, you will be redirected to this homepage. You're just going to click send money right over here. And there you go. You can choose to send in different currency or in the same currency. So you're going to choose international if you're sending from different currency, or if you're choosing the same currency, you can just click this one here. Now, the process is going to be the same for both of these. Now, say for example, I want to send about $15. You can just change this type for the currency of every country. Say for example, I'm going to be sending in US dollar. And then the recipient also, you're going to choose which among the following currency your recipient is going to be receiving from. Say for example, it's going to be PHP or Philippine peso. I'm just going to click continue. Here, who are you sending money to? You can just basically add a new recipient right over here, or you can choose a pre-existing one. Let's try to say new recipient. We're going to click this one here, and then from here you have three options. You have myself, someone else, business, or charity. Say for example, I want to choose myself. All right, here you have local bank account or e-wallet. So it's up to you. The process is going to be the same regardless. I'm going to choose e-wallet for now, for example. Now, full name of the account holder, I'm just going to leave it at that. And then wallet service, this one. You're going to choose which among the e-wallets here that person is going to be receiving from. Say for example, I'm going to choose PayMaya. Now the recipient's e-wallet number, so I'm going to type here. And then once that's done, you can just click confirm. All right, and then you will be reviewing the details here. You can just check them. You can edit it if you want to. You can change it if you want to. And you can also see the schedule details. So let's try to click confirm and continue. And then from here, you will be choosing how would you like to pay for this one. So would it be through your bank account, wire transfer, or international wire? You can also check here if these options are available for you. Now, once it's done, you can just click continue to payment. And yes, congratulations everyone. That's basically how you're going to send money in Wise.